Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Excited about all the things that are taking place in the industry. Excited that we're sending pole barns and steel trusses across the nation. We've got people all the way from San Diego to New York to Maine and everywhere in between buying the trusses. It's a great building system. And we want to thank all of our customers that are giving us referrals. You know, this is a great program that we offer, and a lot of our customers are already getting checks in the mail for friends and neighbors that are buying pole barns. If you've got a friend or a neighbor that's wanting a pole barn, and you let us know, you contact us, we will send you a check in the mail for a referral, and it's a nice commission. So if you bought a pole barn kit, and like I said, you've got neighbors or friends that are looking at and wanting to buy one, man, get paid for telling us about that. We're going to give them a great kit, just like we've given our other customers. We've got great reviews on this building system, how simple it is. We go up to 60-foot clear span in an agricultural setting. We're printed for 50-foot wide, and we can make any size. We've got red iron trusses that we can go up to 200 wide. So, but our basic black painted steel trusses, you can figure they're going to go up to about 60-foot clear span. That's kind of the bread and butter of our business. That's kind of the bread and butter of what we're doing for people out there. We sell a lot of 24 by 40s, 30s by 40s, 40s by 60s. That accommodates about anything that you're doing. You can figure $475 a square foot for the whole roof kit. You can figure $775 for the whole building kit, including the insulation for the roof and the walls. You still have to provide doors and windows, but that's a great price when you start shopping around and seeing how much buildings cost. And this is an easy building system. So we're engineered for snow loads and wind shear, and we kind of keep the thing very simple for our customers. And any way that we can help you, just give us a call at 828-413-4201 or visit us at StroudsBuildingSupply.com. God bless you.